As you can see guys, I am facing this type of issues. Unknown USB device request failed. This type of issue is general, and you can fix this type of issue so easily. All you need to do, just follow me and follow all the steps that I am going to deliver now. So actually what you need to uninstall the device driver manager. You have to uninstall the driver manager firstly. I'll click here. If you don't know guys how to access device manager, simply there is simple and easy option. Simply go on desktop and search for device manager. Device manager. When you will search for device manager, you will get options like that, and after all you will have to uh, just click here in the section of universal serial bus controller, and after all just right click here and try to update it. If you are not getting update, then definitely you will have to uninstall this device. If you are uninstalling the device and again you are facing this type of issues, then this is also a critical problem and you will have to fix. And believe me guys, I'll try to fix this issue as soon as possible. So simply what I'll do, I will just go on power settings. Simply I'll search for power. If I am searching for here power, as you can see here, power and sleep settings, simply I'll click here. After clicking here, here a lot of options are there, in which I'll have to click additional power setting. As you can see, additional power setting, I'll simply click here. After clicking here, simply click on change plan setting. After clicking on change plan setting, you'll get the settings like this. After all, you will have to click on change advanced power setting. After clicking on advanced power settings, what you will do, you will simply go in the section of USB settings. After going on USB settings, simply go on the USB selective suspend setting. Actually here it is written that when what are the timing of suspending your USB devices. Actually you don't need to suspend your USB device. That's why what you need to disable it. In my case, it is already disabled. In your case, I think it should be enabled like this. But what you need to do, you need to simply click on disabled. Simply click on disabled in the section on battery. In the section of plugged in, simply click disabled. After disabling both of the settings, what you will need to do, simply click on apply. After all, click on OK, and after all simply cut and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, definitely it is going to solve. And what I'm doing, I am just restarting your PC. After restarting the PC, I will come and actually I'll show you actually it is fixed or not. So guys, I have successfully restarted the PC. After restarted the PC, what I will do, I will access device manager. When I'm accessing device manager, I'll see actually this that issues has fixed or not. As you can see guys, there is no any error in the section of storage. Yeah, in the section of storage I'm not getting any errors. You can see any kind of errors is not there. All of my errors has successfully fixed. So this was the simply universal serial bus control. Yeah, in this section I was getting the error, but here there is no any error. So as you can see, what I have done, I have done nothing. I have just done what I can do, and that's it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So see you in the next video. So bye bye, take care and stay connected with our latest upcoming videos.